What is going on, my friend? It's Malcolmson here, friend of CamandLimitless.com, and in this video I want to show you a review on Smartmockups. And really, this software is for anybody who's really making stuff online and wants to create like a mock-up of, let's say, your course or your t-shirt or your mugs or your all different types of things. You can create it in the Smartmockups Pro, Smartmockups software. Well, it's really a website that I use, and I learned about this doing the one funnel away challenge. So I'm going to show you here that you can go to all mockups, and I'm going to show you kind of all the different things that's inside of Smart Mockups. So if you want this software, or you want to use this tool, I'm going to leave a link for it below. But basically you can go to CamandLimitless.com/Smart Mockups, and it should be my referral link. If you decide to use the software, I'll make a little commission and things like that here. And really why I want to show you this tool is because it's a tool that you can use to help you with building your limitless lifestyle business. Now, if you can see here, it goes technology mockups, so you can create t-shirt mockups, smartphone mockups, magazines, books, laptops, iframes, mugs, face masks, tablet, desktops, all these different types of mockups. Now, what I solely use it for is really for stuff like this here. So I would make like a little course image, or get the wee logo and from my course, and I would upload that image into here, and it would look like it's on a computer, so someone could see it and they could imagine themselves being on their laptop and seeing that there and being inside the course, my friends. So also here you can see, look, if you have your own business card you want to make, you can upload an image here of your business card, and then you can use it as like a little mock-up. So say if you're doing designs for other people and things like that here, you can also put them on coffee mugs, different boxes like your pizza box, things like that here. You can actually design your design here in the software I talked about before, canva.com, and you can create the actual graphic there, and then you can upload it into this here, so you can have your own logo here on a face mask, and then you can use that there for other things. If you want to send it to someone who's going to make you mugs or put your design on a mug, you can actually send them your mock-up, or you can use it for other things like that here. So say if you are in the graphic design niche and you're doing designs for different businesses, you can actually upload the design in here and send it to the business owner or whatever, so that they can see what it would look like. If you're into making your t-shirts or jumpers, you can upload the logo in here. But I'm going to show you, let's see, if we go to up to the top, we go to technology, let's go to desktop, okay, even we could go to e-learning and bundles, okay, as well. But this is basically what I would use it for, and you can see that with a free plan you can actually do a lot. Okay, so you can create these different types of designs, smart mockups for different computers, and it's really great for a limitless lifestyle business when you're creating your own course. And what this is going to do, my friend, it's going to add a higher perceived value, because people actually have something to look at and they can see what they're going to get. So let's say let's say we designed excuse me, let's say we designed, I'm going to go to technology and let's go to laptop and we want to put it onto a laptop, and we want to have a simple little laptop design. So I'm going to select this smart mockup, and it's going to ask us for what size the image is. So it's going to say this size of image. So it's going to say the image that you should put on here is 1440 pixels by 900 pixels. If you're going to use that software I talked about the last video, which was Canva, you can actually create a custom design, and you can actually say you want the image to be that size, and then you can design the image. Then what you can do is you can upload the image from your computer, or you can upload it, say if you have a URL with your image, you can add it there. But I'm going to go to upload from, and you can upload it from Canva, you can upload it from your uploaded images. So I'm going to click here and go to uploaded images. I'm going to find an image that we might be able to use here. So let's say, see if I have here, I've got a course and it's called Email Profits Masterclass. Now I'm going to upload this image on here. It's going to ask me to make sure it fits on there. I'm going to add crop and continue. Okay, and what you can see here is it says email profits masterclass, and then I can download this image in low, medium, high resolution. So I can say we want to download it as a high resolution image. You're going to see it download here in a second, and then I'll open it up for you. And this is just one of the things that you can do in here. You can actually go to home and living. You've got mugs, pillows, other. You can go to social media, so you can make Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and other posts, other mock-ups. So it would kind of look like what you could send it to someone so that they could get a better visual. It's going to create a higher perceived value with whatever it is you're going to be doing, my friend. So say if you are into design, or you want to design face masks, so you got face mask template here, and then you can upload your logo, and then your logo will look like it's on the face mask, my friend, which is really, really cool. That's a peel. You've got packaging, so you've got cosmetic stuff, food and beverage stuff, supplements. So if you wanted to add your image to supplements, something like that here, boxes and bags. We've got print, we've got branding, greetings cards, books, frames, outdoor, other, business cards, magazines, brochures, posters, phones and cases, okay, iPhone cases. We've got technology, smartphones, laptop, watch, multiple devices, screen, e-readers, e-learning bundles, TV screens, tablet, desktop, custom. We've got custom stuff there. We've got all the mock-ups. So let's say something that piqued my interest there that I wanted to have a look at was the food and beverages. So say if you're like a restaurant or a business owner and you want to use smart mock-ups for, let's say, your coffee. So say if you've got your own someone to design you, make you these little coffee mugs, you could come here and put that design onto this coffee mug or whatever it is you want. So you can see here we've got different types of coffee mugs, cans and things like that here, and you can use this here for, see what it's doing here. Your image will actually go on there like that. Okay, so we've got Red Bull, all these different types of things, and we've got like you can use this here image, and it could have your cup there, all these different things, no matter what it is you want to use it for. So we'll go to food and see what's in food. Okay, so we got like a packet of crisps and all these different types of things, and coffee. So if you had your own coffee, different packets of things. So if you want to make your own little packet thing, you can add your image or your design that you created onto something like this here, which is a glossy metallic finish, which is like a bag that you would have coffee beans or something in there. Now let's say if we go to cosmetics, so let's say if you're like into health and beauty and your product is like a beauty product type thing, what you can do is you can create your design in Canva, come over here and put it onto different things like this here, and then you can use these images for your internet marketing and all your images and things like that here. It can download with a transparent background. So let's say if you're making this little face cream, you've got your little design, you can put it on here, so you can get a better visual about it, and it's, like I said, it's going to build a higher perceived value of your product. And you can see here you've got these little things here, which could be for like CBD oil and all this stuff, and you can see all the different things that you can create mock-ups, smart mock-ups for. I actually think we've seen actual, let's say if we go to custom, I wonder what is inside custom. So create new mockup. Let's see what's inside custom. So this is a pro feature, so you're going to want to use this here if you want to use some of this stuff. So there's some of it, it's in the pro feature. So let's say if I go to e-bundles, e-learning and bundles, because that's what we're all about in the Limitless Lifestyle business, is creating information products. And what you can do is you can add your different products. So say if you've got like a video course, you can have like one of your modules here, a module here, and then you could have the course here, and then you could have that looking like it's inside the members area. And whenever you put this on your sales page, people can actually see, oh, this is like, it's like a DVD. They could imagine it being like a DVD, and this could be like the box which your course comes in. So it's like a little visual and things like that, which is really, really cool, my friend. And this is how you can go ahead and make mock-ups for your information products, whether or not you want to make it for t-shirts and things like that here, and all this, my friend. So I hope you learned something really cool in this video, and like I said in the last video, we're launching the Limitless Lifestyle Blueprint course very, very soon. I'm going to leave you a link to be able to register for a founding member of the Limitless Lifestyle Blueprint before we go into launch. Okay, there's already a course in there, but we're actually currently updating it to the 2.0 version, and then after we update it, we're going to be going into launch phase, and after the launch phase I'm going to be adding more and more stuff that's going to help you in that stage of your business. Okay, and anybody who gets in now will be able to get updates, all the updates that are added into that offer, and it's going to be really, really great, my friend. If you're on the fence about, starting something online, I highly encourage you to get inside the Limitless Lifestyle Blueprint course as soon as possible, and you're going to learn all the concepts in there of building a 6-figure business. Now, these are concepts that I've been studying for the past 3 years and I'm implementing for myself. So everything that you can see happening on CameronLimitless.com and everything behind the scenes after you become a member is things that I've learned from other 6-figure businesses and other 6-figure business owners that I'm taking for myself, implementing into my business, and then I want to show people a great education without having to take out loans, my friend, and ultimately create financial freedom for yourself, my friend. So if you're interested in this type of stuff, I'm going to leave that link for the promotion of the Limitless Lifestyle Blueprint course below. You're going to want to get in now, because you're going to get access to the 2.0 version of that course at a super affordable price. It's a heavily discounted right now, because really what you're getting at the minute is the version 1 of the course. Then we're going to be adding version 2 very soon. Everything's pretty much done for it. I'm going to be building that there into that course, updating it all, and then the price is going to start to go up after we start adding in more value for you, my friend, other things that's going to help you with that stage of your business. So this was it for this video. I hope you learned how you can create different mock-ups for your products and services online, and I'll see you in the next video, my friend. Have a great one. See you soon. Bye bye.